Welcome to our roundup of the best projectors. Whether someone is setting up a home theater, hosting movie nights, or enhancing business presentations, these projectors offer a balance of picture quality, brightness, and convenience. Buyers today look for clear resolution, vibrant colors, and reliable performance, and the latest models deliver just that. With a wide range of options available, choosing the right projector can be easier with the right details. The first on the list is iSinbox YG381 Smart Projector. The iSinbox YG381 Smart Projector is built for users who want high-quality visuals with advanced smart features. With 1200 ANSY lumens, native 1080 pixels resolution, and HDR10+ support, it produces bright, clear, and colorful images in both indoor and outdoor spaces. Its AI-powered image enhancement improves color accuracy, while the blue light reduction technology helps reduce eye strain during longer viewing sessions. Designed with portability in mind, it features a 360-degree rotatable stand and compact build, making it convenient for home, office, or outdoor entertainment setups. One of its strongest points is the built-in Smart Pro OS, which gives direct access to popular streaming platforms like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney+. This eliminates the need for external devices or extra subscriptions, offering a smoother and more cost-effective viewing experience. The Dolby-certified hi-fi speakers with DTS decoding provide clear, immersive audio, while Bluetooth 5.3 ensures stable connections to external speakers or headphones. With AI autofocus, 6D keystone correction, and obstacle avoidance, the projector quickly adapts to different placements for hassle-free use. Although projection size adjustments may feel limited for specific screen dimensions, the inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, lifetime OS upgrades, and reliable warranty coverage adds long-term value. Overall, the iSinbox YG381 is a portable, powerful, and versatile projector suited for anyone seeking cinematic entertainment at home or outdoors. The second on the list is VOPLLS G34K Smart Projector. The VOPLLS G34K Smart Projector is designed as an all-in-one entertainment hub. With Google TV built in, it provides instant access to Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, Hulu, and thousands of apps from the Play Store. Unlike many basic streaming projectors, it also includes over 800 free live channels, offering endless options for movies, shows, and sports. Because it runs a certified Google system, users benefit from smooth performance, reliable security, and lifelong updates. This makes it equally suitable for home theaters or outdoor use. AI personalization creates tailored recommendations for each profile, while Kid Safe mode adds parental controls with rating filters and screen time limits. Built-in Google Assistant allows hands-free operation, enabling quick access to shows or smart home controls. In terms of visuals, the projector offers HDR10 support, native 1080 pixels resolution, and 500 ANSI lumens brightness. With 98% color coverage and a 360-degree rotation design, it delivers vivid and flexible projection on walls, ceilings, or angled spaces. For sound, Dolby Atmos dual speakers provide immersive audio, while Bluetooth 5.2 supports wireless connections. Autofocus, auto keystone, obstacle avoidance, and screen fit ensure clear, aligned images, combined with Wi-Fi 6 streaming, whisper quiet cooling, and a durable LED light source. Overall, VOPLLS G34K Smart Projector delivers strong performance and long-lasting value for movies, gaming, and outdoor entertainment. The third on the list is Weilio Smart Projector. The Weilio Smart Projector combines portability, performance, and convenience in one compact device. With its built-in Android OS, it offers direct access to apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video, while supporting over 1,000 other applications. Dual-band Wi-Fi 5G ensures smooth streaming, and two-way Bluetooth 5.1 allows it to work as both a projector and a Bluetooth speaker. Multiple connection options such as HDMI, USB, and a 3.5mm jack make it compatible with gaming consoles, laptops, and mobile devices, adding flexibility for entertainment, work, or study. In terms of visuals, the projector delivers native 1080p resolution with 350 ANSI lumens for clear, colorful images. Electronic autofocus and 4-point keystone correction provide quick, hassle-free setup. Its 50% zoom function and 120-degree rotatable stand allow versatile placement on walls, ceilings, or angled spaces. The dust-proof design and advanced cooling system keep the lens clean while reducing fan noise to under 30 decibel, ensuring a quiet viewing environment. A minor drawback is the limited remote sensor range, requiring more direct operation. Still, with strong image quality, wide compatibility, and a low-noise design, the Weilio Smart Projector is a versatile, user-friendly choice for both indoor and outdoor entertainment. The fourth on the list is WiMiUS G1 Smart Outdoor Projector. The WiMiUS G1 Smart Outdoor Projector delivers a full entertainment experience with Google TV built in. It offers direct access to streaming apps like YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, HBO Max, and Apple TV, along with 800+ live channels. With multi-user profiles and child mode for parental controls, it is well-suited for families. Personalized recommendations and a sports tab add to its convenience, making it a versatile all-in-one hub without the need for extra devices. Visual performance is a standout feature. The WiMiUS G1 supports 4K input with native 1080 pixels resolution and HDR10 for crisp, vibrant images. 3 brightness levels and 5 picture presets allow users to adjust visuals for different settings, while Eco mode saves energy and reduces noise. Smart functions like autofocus, auto keystone, obstacle avoidance, and 50% to 100% zoom make setup quick and flexible, whether indoors or outdoors. Sound is equally strong with Dolby Audio and dual 10 watts hi-fi speakers for immersive surround effects. Two-way Bluetooth 5.2 ensures stable wireless connections and allows the projector to double as a Bluetooth speaker. With HDMI, ARC/CEC support for soundbars or AV receivers, the WiMiUS G1 Smart Outdoor Projector provides cinematic audio and stunning visuals, making it an excellent choice for movies, gaming, and outdoor entertainment. The fifth on the list is KOGATA GC355 Smart Short Throw Projector. The KOGATA GC355 Smart Short Throw Projector combines portability and performance in a sleek design. Using its Short Focus Pro optical engine, it creates a 100 inches display from just 90 inches away, making it ideal for small rooms or outdoor use. Weighing only 2.5 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to carry for bedrooms, offices, or camping. Its certified Smart TV OS ensures smooth streaming, with apps like YouTube and Prime Video preloaded, while Disney+, Apple TV, and others can be downloaded for more content. Visual performance is excellent with native 1080 pixels resolution, 4K support, HDR, and a 98% NTSC color. The AI-powered image engine refines every frame for vivid detail, rich colors, and deep contrast. Smart features like TOF autofocus, keystone correction, and screen alignment make setup simple and quick. This ensures users always enjoy clear, well-balanced images without manual adjustments. Sound quality is strong as well, with Dolby-certified dual 10-watt speakers producing clear and immersive audio. Bluetooth connectivity adds flexibility by allowing external speaker pairing or using the projector as a Bluetooth speaker itself. While some apps require manual installation, this is a minor issue. Overall, the KOGATA GC355 is a portable, high-quality projector perfect for home theaters or outdoor entertainment. The last on the list is JOWLURK Outdoor Projector. The JOWLURK Outdoor Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is built for convenience and entertainment flexibility. Its 3-second autofocus and keystone correction ensure a crisp, perfectly aligned screen without extra effort. With a zoom range from 50% to 100%, it adapts easily from small indoor spaces to a large 300 inches backyard setup. The JOWLURK projector is also designed for flexible installation, whether on a ceiling, tripod, wall, or desktop. Paired with a streaming stick, it transforms into a smart entertainment hub. With a 2-year warranty, lifetime technical support, and 24/7 customer service, it offers peace of mind. Overall, it is a smart choice for home theaters, gaming, or family fun.